Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, how are you? Hopefully doing well. I'm just writing this next problem from the exercise 16b. The basic thing to understand these type of the question is that first read the statement properly and make the parts in your statement which you need to translate into the mathematical expression. Okay, like it's starting with Samina spent 1/8 of her money to buy books. Means it's obvious that Samina have some money. Now she's spending 1/8 of her money to buy books. Okay, once she's spending the money 1/8 to buy books, then 1/5 on purchasing clothes, then 1/10 on the charity. Okay, still she has some money left, and that money is 15, more than half of her money. Okay, so find the amount of money she originally have. With these type of questions, I always suggest that please connect your mind with the easiest example you can understand. With the easiest example, and with the original, sometimes the pocket money you have and you are going to a mall to buy something. Let me show you. I also just take out the money, some money. Okay, suppose I have this money and you don't know that how much money is this. Okay, suppose I'm Samina. If I'm saying you that first thing, how you are understanding your leftover money. Suppose almost half of the money I spend. So what money is left? If I have 100 total, so half of 100 I will write. Half of 100, that is 50. Okay. So if I say 10 more than half of money I left. So what I do? I have 100. That I know. Half of 100 plus 10. This is my leftover money. You understand that? This was half of 100 was 50. Yes. So half of 100 plus 10 means 50 plus 10. It means 60 I have still left with me. I just make a simple example to make your mind connected that if you have some amount of money and you are using half of that money, that maybe half of that money, and still you have left 10 more than that, so it cannot be half of that. Yeah, so my used money is not half of that. My leftover money is 10 more than half of my money I have. Okay, so that is 60. Means still I have 60. So it means my used money is out of 100 will be 40. Okay, so now come to this topic. If you are well connected to the concept which I want to give, then you can come over here and understand that what is being said over here. Samina have the amount of money. Suppose this is the amount of money. Okay, so if I don't know that what amount of money she has originally, so I can suppose that let X be the original money, she has or she had. Okay, so out of this X money, 1/8 she give for purchasing the books. Okay, 1/8 for books. Then 1/5 of it she used for purchasing the cloth. Then 1/10 of it she used for charity. Okay, so what happened? 1/8 of her money means 1/8 X. 1/5 on purchasing clothes means 1/5 X she used for the clothes. 1/10 on the charity means 1/10 of X. Now still how much money she has left? How we can find out? The concept is here that when I have some amount of money and I am using the amount of money, so obviously my total money minus this, minus this, minus this will be equals to my leftover money. First, let me write down that statement, then I will come to the next statement. Okay. So let me write that total money is X. Used for books 1/8 X. For clothes 1/5 X. For charity 1/10 X. So used money is equals to, means how much money I used, total money X minus this money is deleted from my total amount. So minus 1/8 X, this is deleted. Next, this obviously minus from my amount. This is also minus from my amount. Now this is equals to my leftover money. Hopefully you understand my point that if you have some proper amount, so you are using your amount for something like books and clothes and charity, so that amount is deleted or subtracted from the given amount. Now I will go to the leftover money. So before going to the leftover money, so my request is, please, if you like my teaching style or if you understand, so please subscribe to my channel. Okay. Now, what is the leftover money? Leftover money is 15 more than half of her money. Leftover money is 15 more than half of her money. Means 15 more than half of her money, that is X. Is that okay? So now I will write this one, that by the statement we constructed this equation. I can write it X, this I can write X/8, this I can write X/5, and this I can write X/10. This is my proper statement which I obtained after translating the whole condition, and I construct an equation. Now I will solve equation with a simple way. Okay, like let me write it over here. X minus X/8 minus X/5 minus X/10 equals to 15 plus X/2. Now for solving this, all the algebraic fractions are here. For solving this, it's better to take the denominator LCM to make the LCM of the denominator. So here I will take the LCM. Here I have the place, I can take the LCM here of only the denominators 8, 5, 10 and 2. So take it, it will become the most common factor is 2. 2 4s are 5 as it is, 2 5s are 10 and 2 1s are 2. 5 is the most common, 4 as it is, 1 times and 1 stay as it is. So LCM will be equals to 2 5 4, common and uncommon, product of them. 2 5s are 10, 10 4s are 40. LCM is 40. It means that denominator must be equals to 40. Denominator must be equals to 40. If you want to shift this term over here, you can do. If you make the denominator common on both sides, you can do whatever you want. Here the terms which don't have the fraction, which don't have the denominator, we can put 1 as the denominator. Okay. Now our target is that every denominator should be equals to 40. Must be equals to 40. 1 can be changed to 40 if you multiply by 40. So same multiply up also. 8 5s are 40, 5 up, 5 down. 5 8s are 40, 8 up, 8 down. 10 4s are 40, 4 multiply up, 4 multiply down. 1 40, 40. 2 20 down, 20 up. So here in this side it become 40, 40x minus 5x minus 8x minus 4x equals to 40, 15 zeros are 0, 15 fours are 60 plus 20x. Okay. Now across the equality, corresponding terms can be cancelled. So 40, all the terms are like terms with x. So all the coefficients can be solved together. 40 minus 5, 35. 35 minus 8, 27. 27 minus 4, 23. Equals 600 plus 20x. Bring the like term on one side of equality. 23x minus 20x equals to 600. So 3x equals to 600. X equals to 600 divided by 3. So here x is equals to 3 twos are 6, 0 times 0, 0 times 0. So initially the amount of money which Samina have, that is 200. Okay. So now she has 200 rupees, I think. Yes. So she has the amount that is 200 rupees. Let me take out any other page. We can use for the continuation of this part. Yes. So the value of x is 200. Hence, Samina had rupees 200. Okay. Now the checking part. Checking, I told you, always apply the checking on the statement you construct. Okay. This is your constructed statement. At the same time, I told you, you will use this statement. Okay. Write down this statement again. X minus x by 8 minus x by 5 minus x by 10 equals to 15 plus x by 2. Replace the value of x as 200 here on all these places. Replace 200, 200 by 8, 200 by 5, 200 by 10, 15 plus 200 by 5. 200 by 2, sorry. It was 2 here, 200 by 2. Okay. So 200 minus 200 divided by 8 is equals, you can divide it 8 ones, 8 twos are 16, 4 left, 25 minus 5 fours are 20, zeros, 10, 20 times 15 plus 100. So subtract these all values from here. So you can write the subtraction in the vertical form also, or add these negative values first. Add all the negative integers first. 25, 5, 4, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 85 minus. And this is equals to 115. 10 minus 5, 5. Here left 9. 9 minus 8, 1. And here left 1. So 1. 115 equals to 115. That is true. It means our calculation is true to count the money which Samina had originally. So let me revise once again the topic, then I will finish this. That what was our problem? Our problem was that we have some amount of money which we used. So the concept is, whatever the amount of money is being used, you can suppose that is equals to x. Now the used money always keep on subtracting from the amount you have. Means you have x amount, so it means that the used money always subtract and it is equals to the leftover money. Keep the concept clear whenever you are going for the shopping. So whatever the amount you have, you will subtract the percentage of the amount or the fraction of the amount from the money you are using. Okay. So then when you are using, apply the normal rules to solve the algebraic equation, and then your question will be solved easily. Next, let's go to the next part. Better to continue in the next part in the next video. Until then, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.